Hi everyone, we're going to find the area of the region inside the circle and outside the cardioid. So basically my circle here is in red and my cardioid is in green. If you set these equal to each other, they intersect at pi and 0 here. So basically they want the area inside the circle but outside the cardioid. So they want this area right in here. So basically, it's the upper semicircle, and it's going to be outside of this area. We don't want this area. So all I'm going to do is find this area in here for the cardioid from 0 to pi and subtract it from 2 pi. So let's set that up. We're going to take 2 pi minus the integral from 0 to pi and just subtract this little portion here. So this is going to be times 1/2, and our r is right there, 2 times 1 minus sine of theta, and then we square that d theta. All right, expanding this, we're going to get 2 pi minus the integral from 0 to pi of 1/2 times 4. And when you square this, you're going to get 1 minus 2 sine of theta plus sine squared of theta d theta. All right, so this part right here just equals 2. And so I can multiply this. We didn't need parentheses here, so let's change that up. All right, so I can multiply everything through by 2. We get 2 pi minus 0 to pi. And this is going to be 2 minus 4 sine of theta plus 2 sine squared of theta. We're almost done. The only thing we need to do is go ahead and use a trig identity for substitution for this part to make integration easier. So I'm going to substitute it in for this. And I'm going to do it right up here. So this is going to be 2 times 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2 theta. Well, 2 times 1/2 is just 1. So this whole thing is going to equal 1 minus cosine of 2 theta. Therefore, my final integral is going to be 2 pi minus the integral from 0 to pi of 2, it's going to be 3 now. So we're going to add these two, 3 minus 4 sine of theta minus cosine of 2 theta d theta. All right, now we can integrate. So let's do that. We're going to have, this is going to equal 2 pi minus 3 theta plus 4 cosine of theta minus 1/2 sine of 2 theta, and then we're going from 0 to pi. All right, so we get 2 pi minus, and we're going to have 3 pi plus 4 cosine of pi minus 1/2 sine of 2 pi minus 0 plus 4 cosine of 0 plus minus 0. Sine of 0 is just 0. So basically, these are going to be zeros there, and this is a 0. So let's see what we have. We have 2 pi minus 3 pi. This is negative 1. This is going to be negative 4. So that's going to end up being plus 4 And then we have, this is minus this whole thing. This is going to be minus 4. But when you multiply it by negative, you're going to get plus 4. Because cosine of 0 is 1. So be careful with your signs on this one. All right, this is going to be negative pi plus 8, or you can write it as 8 minus pi is your area for that region inside the circle and outside the cardioid. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Baby.